It's fun. It's wild. It's Dad's Gone Crypto.
Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to a special episode of Dad's Gone Crypto. Today, we're diving into our dynamic world of social media and why it's an absolute game changer for anyone stepping into the crypto universe. Ever wonder why Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and other social platforms are buzzing with crypto conversations? Stick around as we unravel the secrets of setting up your socials, why it matters more than you think, and crucial steps to avoid the pitfalls of the crypto jungle. Because in this digital era, your journey into the crypto space is not just about investments, it's about community, knowledge, and securing your spot in the digitalized future. Buckle up, crypto explorers. This is one ride you won't want to miss. Ready to unlock the powers of socials in your crypto journey? Let's dive in.
Absolutely, Sean. Social media is more than just tweets and posts. It's a crucial part of the crypto experience.
There are three main socials: Twitter, Telegram, Discord. Yes, there are more. Twitter is more about your quick information. Telegram is about your groups with specific niches, which helps you get into that crypto game. And then your Discord, which is basically a tribe. Think about it as a hotel resort. You have rooms, personal chats, you have a grouped area to discuss, and there's lots of entertainment in various forms.
So, why are socials so important in crypto, you might ask? Well, there's quite a few reasons why. Information dissemination is extremely important in crypto. Things happen fast, so socials provide a real time pulse on the crypto community. It's where news breaks first, discussions happen, and projects gain traction. In crypto, you need real time updates because things like I just said, things happen fast. Projects change, market conditions change, so you really are always looking for those real time updates. And crypto projects can share these updates, announcements, news, and it just ensures that their followers are always informed. Another really important aspect of social media and crypto is just education. Social media is a really powerful tool for educating the community about blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and all the upcoming technologies in the space.
And Ryan, as well, community engagement. Let's not forget, there's so much noise out there. There's so much information being pushed on you to you every day. Sometimes you just only want to talk about a niche market. So you join these groups to only talk about that and keep up to date. So it's the engagement, the interaction. You're building partnerships and friends in this space so that you're basically on the same train, going in the same direction, and you're learning from each other. Also, don't forget network growth. By having a tribe, you're exposed to people that might have influence in different realms, and you can network and grow the network itself.
Yeah, absolutely. And just like market sentiment analysis is super important with crypto as well. And you'll find trends and sentiments in social media platforms. They serve as a valuable source for understanding the market sentiments and trends that are currently happening. And investor relations are very important, obviously, with crypto projects. And it social media allows them to gauge the public perception and address concerns, and it fosters trust among potential investors when they see a big social media following on a project's platforms.
And Ryan, also from that, they can build the right community. So it's about getting the right people to push the right message with their network, almost like the network effect. So, if you got, passionate people about, let's say, Ethereum, right? Let's say Cardano, like these projects, you have like minded people that take the information, they perhaps create social media, they create memes, they create educational products so other people can learn about it. I might know something that other people might, and I share that with them, and we're growing, and they share it with their communities, and they grow, ultimately growing the project. And that's why these communities band together, is to help that project grow, which has a better chance of success down the line.
Yeah, for sure. And another important aspect as far as the projects are concerned is it's where they do their marketing and their promotions. Social media in crypto is, I mean, it's everything. You're not going to find very many crypto projects advertising on television or radio or anything like that. They're doing almost all of it on social media. So if you want to learn about new projects, that's probably where you're going to do it. Social platforms enable projects to showcase their value propositions, their use cases, and their unique features to the entire globe, really. In crypto, you're going to find that projects tend to collaborate. They tend to join up together, form partnerships. It's because in this space, it's so new. It's unlike the regular world of business, really. So you're going to find projects are constantly partnering up and collaborating on new ideas that are coming up in the space. And social media is the place where you're going to be able to find out about all this.
With great power comes great responsibility. So, how do you set up your social securely?
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Sean. Setting up your social securely is extremely important. First and foremost, you definitely want to enable two-factor authentication on all of your accounts. It adds an extra layer of security.
And when choosing a username, consider keeping your crypto identity separate from your personal accounts. Privacy matters.
Yeah, for sure. And also be cautious with the information you share. You want to avoid revealing too many details about your crypto holdings and transactions. Truly, it sounds opposite of social media, but the less visible you are, the better off you are as far as personal type information goes.
So now that you set up, there are scams about to hit you. So, what are some of the real concerns and how do we avoid them?
Yeah, you definitely, scams are everywhere in social media, and avoiding them is extremely important. So always verify the information from official sources. Scammers love to impersonate projects and influencers, so you've got to really pay attention. You might see a tweet from an influencer. And it'll say, click here, for this airdrop or whatever. And if you click there and, connect, you're going to drain your wallet. So you got to be super careful. Make sure you're looking at the correct Twitter handles, make sure they have their little verification mark on them, and, and everything looks right before you trust a influencer on social media.
So, Ryan, are you telling me Elon Musk didn't tweet me?
I think maybe you might want to look at that username. It might be a little off.
I
Elon
thought
Musk, maybe.
Elon Musk, my best buddy. Yeah. Oh, guys, also don't forget, never share your private keys. No legitimate projects or influencers will ever ask for them.
Yeah, definitely. And also, you really have to watch out for phishing links. You have to double check the URLs and don't ever click on anything that looks suspicious. You're going to constantly see out there, you're going to see links that look identical to the real thing, but then they're going to have one little character difference or something like that. So you got to be really, really diligent with, checking the URLs, make sure you're on the right site.
And the reason why, Ryan, is that, I'm jumping ahead a little bit, but often you'd need to connect to a site, and then at the top right-hand button, you would say connect your wallet. So now, if, for instance, I know PancakeSwap got hacked many a times. So people would connect to the site and there'd be one digit that's different and you didn't even know about it because they just cloned the website. You click collect your wallet, and then what happens within the next 24 hours? They drain your wallet. So you always need to make sure that the URL is 120%. You got to triple check before you connect anything.
Yeah, for sure.
So be skeptical also about giveaways. There's a lot of things, especially during a bull market. You'll see on YouTube, you'll see on Twitter, you'll see on Telegram, all these guys saying, hey, click here to get this free giveaway. Do this, do that. When you click on it, it's a way of them obtaining certain information. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
Yeah, I think it definitely is. But it's funny because I was watching YouTube the other day, and Michael Saylor comes up, and and he's sitting there telling you all about this whole, his Bitcoin giveaway, because he so believes in Bitcoin that if you click the little QR code up in the upper right hand corner, it'll take you to a place that you can deposit 1 Bitcoin and get back 2, double your crypto holdings. And it's a complete deep fake, just an AI. And if you're really paying attention, you could see it's obviously an AI, but at first glance, the stuff looks real. And if you're looking at that on your phone, you might be susceptible for falling for it. So don't ever fall for things that are too good to be true.
And I think the easiest way to be safe any advert with a giveaway or offering to double your Bitcoin by giving giving a little bit of Bitcoin out is a scam. So just stay away from adverts. I can promise you will save you money.
Yeah, absolutely. And another important tip: just always use secure channels for communication. Make sure you stick to the official project Telegram groups and verified Twitter accounts, because so many projects, there's so many fake Telegram groups out there. Make sure that you're going to the project's website, you're clicking on their official link to take you to Telegram, and signing into their actual official Telegram, rather than some scammy thing that's that might just drain all your crypto.
Yeah. And I think the final note is be selective of who you want to share your social identity with. You don't have to click on every channel to join. If you're interested in a project and you want to learn more about the ecosystem, then join that particular ecosystem coin and then move on to their tokens. But don't just go and click everything, because that's the fastest way to get scammed.
Yeah, definitely.
And there you have it, folks. Mastering crypto socials is not just about following, it's about following safely.
Yeah, absolutely, Sean. So everybody out there, stay informed, stay secure, and enjoy the vibrant world of crypto socials.
That's a wrap for today's episode. Remember to hit the subscribe button and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. The next episode will take you deeper into understanding crypto. Happy exploring, crypto family. Ciao.
Thanks, guys.
The material and information presented in this recording are for entertainment purposes only. Do not misconstrue what you hear as investment or trading advice. Always do your own research. The views, thoughts, and opinions expressed by the guests on this recording are their own and do not necessarily reflect those of Dad's Gone Crypto or its hosts.